Hi everyone and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with another coupon chat video. Today we will be talking about coupon fatigue and overwhelm. This was a video request by Kaylee Parent, so thank you to her. This is a really good topic actually. I'm really excited about this one because I have been there so many times where I've just been like, I don't care, I'm done, but you have to get through it and you have to make some decisions. So that's what we're going to talk about today. Number one, you might see us all on YouTube. You might see me and think, gee, she does it so perfect. No, I do not. I do not have perfect times. I have a lot of mistakes. I have a lot of drama. If you go back and see some of my hauls, you'd see a lot of that. It does not always work out for me. In fact, it sometimes is like a big epic fail. But I have to ask myself questions when I hit these times of just wanting to quit. So number one, if you're there and you're got fatigue and you just don't want to do this anymore, ask yourself, well, take the time mainly to go and evaluate your stockpile. Do you truly need to keep getting stuff? I mean, look at it. If you have 40 things of shampoo, do you need to keep shopping at CVS every week? Rolling the ECBs. I hear so many people saying, well, they have to stay in it just to roll the ECBs. Okay. I disagree with that because if you're still spending tax on a bunch of random stuff that you have a million of in your stockpile just to keep the ECBs going, I don't agree with that. And that's my one big thing that really messed me up at CVS. I've been tracking for this entire year my spending to date. And when I was shopping at CVS, I was spending like 3 times as much as I spend right now. Because my area is a taxable state. Ohio is a 7.2, well, my part of Ohio anyway, is 7.25% sales tax. If I walk into CVS, it don't matter how many ECBs I have. If I have a $50 transaction and I have all those ECBs, I'm still going to pay almost like $4 in tax there. And that is, for some of you, that's awesome if you're a newbie couponer and you don't have a bunch of shampoo. But if I already have 40 things of shampoo, well, why do I need to go to CVS and keep spending the tax on it? And why do I need to keep getting burnt out with it? CVS was constantly giving me problems. I was just like, I don't need this stuff. I'm done with CVS. So that's a question you need to ask yourself. Do you truly need to keep going there? Do you need shampoo? Do you need detergent? Look in your stock, see what you need, and simply focus on getting things you need instead of exactly what, is cheap after ECBs or whatever. Get what you need. That'll help get you through fatigue because you won't be couponing for everything. You'll have a specific focus that you're trying to just get the things you actually need. So keep that in mind. If you truly need nothing, maybe you should stop for a little bit and take a break. If couponing is more like a chore and you're not having fun doing it, then there's really no point. I mean, couponing is survival for a lot of people, but if I stopped enjoying couponing is a hobby, and I don't think it's supposed to meant to be a big chore and something you dread. If you dread couponing, stop. Don't keep doing it. If it gives you anxiety, if it makes you stressed, if it makes you angry, if it's taking away from something else you'd rather do, don't do it. If it's making you feel overwhelmed, don't do it. Just stop. It's not for everybody. If you're not wanting to coupon, there are other things you can do. I mean, to save money, you can still pay attention to sales. I guess you can shop at wholesale clubs like Costco or Sam's Club or BJ's. Is that another one? I only have Sam's Club in this area. But yeah, if you're not going to enjoy it, you need to evaluate what you can do. And if you truly need nothing, live off your stockpile. That's why you've been doing this. Live off your stockpile for a little bit and jump back in later. Maybe you'll have a newfound passion for couponing if you step away for a little bit. So, like I said, if you're overwhelmed, I would encourage you. See if you're doing too much, and maybe that's why you're overwhelmed. Are you getting 40 newspapers a week? Because if you are, I bet you're overwhelmed, because that's going to be a lot of keeping up with. Are you shopping at 6 stores every week? That's probably going to keep you overwhelmed. So I would scale back. Maybe if you're buying 10 papers, maybe cut back to 4. If you are going to all 3 drugstores, maybe just pick 1 drugstore. You know what I mean? it is hard. It really is hard to keep up with. When I was doing CVS, Rite Aid, Walmart, and Kroger, that was a ton of shopping. Now I just do Walmart and Kroger, and I feel like I do better just doing those 2 stores right now, because I'm really able to focus on those 2 stores and really get the best deals at the 2 stores. And really, I've been doing this so long, I don't need to shop at every single store every week. There's just no reason for it. So yeah. And then my 4th tip is, don't be afraid to adjust your couponing. Let's say right now you are doing the binder method. Maybe the binder is just too much for you. Then maybe you ought to switch to the whole insert method, where you just cut your coupons out and you put them down in a folder. You don't cut your coupons, I'm sorry. You just put your inserts and you put them in a folder, and that's what you do. Or maybe vice versa, you don't like this because you don't see what you have, so you're extremely overwhelmed. You don't know where your coupons are. Maybe you should switch to the binder at that point, because you'll see all your coupons and you'll have them. So if you're overwhelmed not being able to find your coupons, maybe that's something you ought to consider. Maybe the newspaper part is getting you. Maybe you should just try all digital coupons. You have to make couponing work on your level. You have to make it work in your life, or else you're going to get burnt out. Not one person is going to have the same, not 2 people aren't going to probably have the same, couponing. I mean, well, we all have the same methods. A lot of us do, but everyone's got to make it work on your own level. You have to implement it on your own level to avoid burnout and fatigue. So I hope those helped. I really, really hope those tips helped. Thank you, Kaylee, for this good suggestion. And thank you. I actually DM'd Amy Stotts, and she helped me kind of come up with some stuff for this video. So, yeah, thank you to both of them. So, yeah, that's all I have for this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what are some of your tips if you're in a fatigue burnout stage. And thank you so much for watching.